Alcohol and AI. What's your take? Oh, nobody's drinking that one for a while. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 3066 of What You Up To Now. This is where I document my journey. Day 3066. Obviously been doing it for a little while here because I like to share what I'm thinking, what's going on, my lessons learned, the good, the bad, the beautiful. I used to call it the good, the bad, the ugly, but I thought, oh, then I'm just getting more stuff I don't want. So I flipped the switch and changed it to the good, the bad, the beautiful. And guess what? Every single day now, something awesome happens, something beautiful that hadn't happened before, or something a little different than it's happened before, but in a slightly different, unique way. It's kind of like our habits, right? Or our beliefs that aren't necessarily serving us. And one of those might be for you, like it used to be for me around alcohol. I never had an alcohol problem, although people might say that knew me my first couple of years of college. Yeah, I did drink and party quite a lot. And then I realized, okay, well, this is not compatible with my goal of wanting to graduate from college in a timely manner. But I'm curious, do you think alcohol is your best friend? Do you think AI is your best friend? Do you think something else is your best friend that isn't another human being who actually is your best friend? I'm seeing some trends, and I am new to AI, but I am discovering that I know people that their entire business is built on AI, and some are using it a little more trained to their voice than others, but others are just letting it become who they are and how they show up in the world. I don't think that's your best friend. I've heard too many horror stories about people that have been using AI as their shrink or their best friend to their detriment, because your AI will tell you whatever you want to hear. It's like buying into your own press and believing the press about you out there. You only see the one side and the good side. You don't see the balanced approach. And that is very dangerous, in my humble opinion. So I'd like to hear your take on that. What do you think about AI? What do you think about alcohol consumption in the comments below? What else is going on? I am in the middle of a coaching program, and I had a huge aha today. And actually, it's been creeping up on me. I am off to a really slow start because, and I have to take 100% responsibility for this, because I have been battling and coming up against my own beliefs about certain things. And they're absolutely poppycock, right? Some of the things that I'm coming up against are proving, I'm trying to prove to my subconscious that I cannot do something. And the fact is I absolutely positively can do it. I've been doing it for decades. And so what's changed? Nothing, except a belief that I adopted that everything had to be hard. I couldn't ask for help, things like that. I'm not good enough. Who am I to deserve this? Da, 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 da. All the nonsense that I thought I had dealt with when I was, dealing with those things as they came up, only to find them rearing their ugly head again, which means I just have to do the work to say, okay, is that real? Is that true for me? Has it always been true for me? Will it always be true for me? And if the answer is unequivocally no, guess what? I do the thing that I'm trying to tell myself that I don't want to do. That's it in a nutshell. So that's a coaching program I'm in that is actually stimulating and triggering things in me that I should have let go of a long, long time ago. And I can make excuses for it, but I just didn't choose to until now. And now I do choose it. I shared the head heart intuition tool with respect to this topic today, because I think it's important as humans, as people that impact other people. We make decisions based on our head, our heart, and our gut, our intuition, right? I have learned that every decision that's turned out badly for me, it's because I didn't listen to all three of these things. I had bad business partners because I didn't listen to it. I had a super bad marriage because I didn't listen to it. And, thankfully I have my amazing children as a result of that. But otherwise, looking back, I'm like, man, was I blind. Things like that. And so even though I use this often as a tool for decision making in choosing among alternatives, solutions, or possibilities, it's also important that we can use it on things like making ourselves better. Because when we get better, everything in our life gets better. And that's where it all starts, right? It all comes from inside us. And if we start there, we're going to win. What else is going on? Supersize your business, school community. And I had an epiphany about that this morning too. I am going to change the focus to target business owners of all types, different industries, as well as different levels of experience. The group that I'm choosing to work with in my supersize mastermind is, of course, very experienced, seasoned. I call them seasoned because I used to be in the Italian food business and we like seasoning. Those are the people that I'll work with in my higher level programs and my coaching and my inner circle and my masterminds. But I need other people to come in and see what's possible, because that's why we're here, is to set the example of what's possible for other people. All right, I digress. If I can help you anyway, hit me up and ask. Otherwise, I have got direct messages to send and calls to participate in. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye. Hey, yell if I can help.